Oh, hey there, friends. How you guys doing today? So today we're going to be working on a crappy TSX today. It's our cameraman's car. So, pretty much in short, what happened is 2 years ago, I say, yeah, 2 years? 2 years, we put an AC compressor in here, and luckily today, it's our fortunate event that we found out that the compressor actually cracked in half. Once we pull it out for you guys, we'll show it to you a little before and after. So, first step of doing a TSX AC compressor install, or removal at that, is you want to take a 14 mil wrench, put it on this pulley down here, and you just want to pull back ever so forcefully, and we're going to slide the belt off. We're going to put our 14 back over here. It's going to rest on the engine now. We're going to move this belt away. I think we should probably replace this belt. And it is a little hot because the car was just running. Next thing you know, we did actually evacuate this vehicle for all the refrigerant. It is a federal offense to remove all the R134 into the atmosphere. Just saying. So we have... Yes! Edit that out. We have two 10 mil bolts right here. One 10 mil bolt on, I believe, is the high side. Yes. Back that out. And lose it on the floor. And another 10 mil bolt, bolt. And back that off. Get our little hands in there, get them all nice and toasty. Oh god, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Ouchie. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, I'm burning myself. Oh. It's in the fan blades! So what we did right now, real quick, was remove that fan right over there, just to make our lives a little bit easier. All it was one clip, one little harness clip connector kind of thingy, and two 10s, and two 10s for the coolant reservoir tank. So now what we're going to do, since we have two of the 10s, one 10 nut and one 10 bolt removed off the low and high side line, is we're going to pull up and out the way. So that's out of the way. We're going to take this side, just going to pull up too. Going to inspect in here. Make sure that there's no buildup. You're lucky there's no buildup. We got an evaporator cleaner. So once we've gotten all that out of the way, there is a little harness connector for the AC compressor. We'll just unclip it, get that out of the way. And that should be it for that portion. What we're now going to do is we will remove the 14s out of the way that are down here for the AC compressor. So there are two 12 bolts that are holding the bolt, 4 in total, 2 up top and 2 in the bottom. Take our wrench, put it on here, and that's all. Fuck, I just burned it.
have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start a something else. It's all you need to do.
Once we've got underneath this car, what we did is we actually lifted up the engine with a piece of block on the oil pan, just lifted it up just a little bit. So if there is any slack in the any of your motor mounts or your transmission mounts, it'll just lift it up just a little bit, so you have a little bit clearance to get to these 14 mil bolts, or 12 mil bolts, or it'll be near impossible. We also removed one of the bolts to the subframe and loosened it up over here, just so we get a little bit more clearance. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our ratchet and we're going to pull out, or break loose, these bolts. Hey, how about you wash your car now then?
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how safe and home? Today counting days until a second go. It's gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start a something else. It's all you need to do.
So here we have our grenaded one that actually exploded. You can see a nice little hole inside of it, and it actually exploded on this side. You know, off the side you can see where it like properly grenaded, because it's not circular. This we have our brand new rebuilt AC compressors. So this is going in there. Hey guys, sorry, it's getting a little late at the shop right now, so what we did is we just rushed through it since we're starting to fall asleep. But all it is in reverse order. Once you get the compressor out, make sure to oil your low side and high side O-rings. Make sure to replace them, never reuse them. Always get new ones. And all you gotta do is once you get your compressor back in, you put all your 12 mil bolts on. There's 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. You can't see that. I'll let you do that. And then once you got your bolts in, you take your low and high side line, plug them in. Make sure to not split the O-rings on both sides. Put them in, tighten them down, torque them to specification, and pretty much everything goes back to how it is. Once we got that compressor back in, we installed the cooling fan. The harness went in just as so. We dropped the engine, tightened up the lower subframe bolts, torqued them to spec. We put on our belts and started it up and make sure that no belts are rubbing, and that is pretty much how you do a TSX AC compressor install.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Together counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, start to talk to yours. It's all you need to do.